Osman, landed in Montenegro, Budva, about to head to the beach.
We're outside.
Guess what flag that is? Big up Montenegro. Just quickly. Next morning, the sleep is getting better. We're about to go on a road trip right now. Literally going to Montenegro for the day. Might stay for the night as well. It's alright, they're trying. Road trip, man.
Outside.
On the road. Good, eh? Seas, man. What is it? Some resort, something. Man. It's a road trip all the way from Sweden, you know. There's a whole convoy of them as well. Look at this road down. Yeah. Welcome to Montenegro. Look at the scenes, man. Scenes, right? Bro, where are we right now?
Where the hell are we?
I mean, it looks like they're constructing the road, but boy,
No work is being done, bro.
no one's working. That road looks good enough for us to drive on low key. Mad. But welcome to Montenegro, man. Look at the mountains. Crazy scenes. Wow. A hike up there would be nice. Besides whatever animals they got in there. Yeah, a hike would be nice. Simply had to stop for the view, man. Had to stop. What? Scene, man. Scenes right now. It's crazy. Whoa. There's luck in that.
Yo!
Video doesn't even show you how good this looks right now.
That's the massive, bro.
See right now, it's nuts. See them alive. Wow. The video does not even do justice. Like, Andorra was nice, but that's more like inner city driving and stuff. But coastal city driving, wow. Touchdown in Budva. That would be dark. Yo, these people crossing the street recklessly. That was not our fault, for sure, man. It's not our fault. Shit. Hey, 21 minutes of content. We can work with that. Yeah, man. Osman landed in Montenegro, Budva. About to head to the beach.
We're outside. Budva, mountains, beaches. Crazy place. Pinterest board type place.
No, honestly, like the views I've seen on this trip might be better than Andorra, I'm not gonna lie. The scenes out there was nice, but boy, this one hits different. But yeah, we're just gonna probably go on a boat, maybe do a couple of jet skis, that kind of stuff. But see
first
what
and foremost, we need some grub. We're not eating nothing since breakfast.
Nothing.
I'm hungry.
Nothing. So we're just gonna grab some food quickly, try some of their cuisines, and we'll get it rolling, man. We'll be on the roll soon.
Yeah, we're thinking of going back tonight because I think on the way
Just
back
gone
it'll be
to
a
a
lot
spot.
quicker. It will probably be
Don't know where
about
it's called.
3 hours going back.
But
Just because
I think I'm feeling
later
some
on
pasta
and,
right now.
No more stops. Because when
I've
we're
had
coming
no
here, we
pasta for
stopped
a minute.
2 times. Just
Bolognese.
to take some pictures, sightsee a bit as well. And then also we had the passport control as well, which took a little bit of time.
Different. Guys, I'm looking for my cocktail. Look what I just ran into. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. When I see this, yeah, you know what time it is. Might even get greedy because look at these prices. €9 for a pina colada. Right now, about to get some food. Looked at my options. Carbonara is one of the options. You know me, I like my carbonara. But I'm thinking I need to have something from Montenegro. That's their food, so I'm gonna ask them suggestions and we'll see what on. Hopefully it's nice. Just placed my order. Got my pina colada.
Spicy now.
You know me. Excited, man. My first one.
I was saying I wanted something spicy as well.
It's spicy. Do it, man. Do it.
I think that one or this one. What meat comes in the carbonara?
You're just gonna have to slap some black pepper on there if it's not spicy enough. You know what time it is, people? But I'm gonna wait for my food. Barbecue pasta, different. No money, boss. No money, boss. No money, sorry. No. Oh, you want food? Scenes right now. Like parts of this place looks like Monaco, man. You lot don't understand. Just nice. Yeesh, not me dropping everything. Oh fuck. Not the towel too. Excuse my French, guys. Excuse-moi. You man seen this? Serious.
These are absolutely insane.
Tell him.
I feel like I'm in Monaco or I don't know, bro.
Honestly. If we can get ourselves.
You know where I feel like I'm in?
Where?
In Montenegro.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Montenegro.
That's what we're talking about.
That's where I feel like
We don't do Monaco here. You need to be on a boat. Unique in it. I can't really. I don't think so. I still think Lake Como is better. The way they just stood in the water, I was thinking they're good. Fucking hell, man. What's going on there?
Hope you're good.
And bro, you man, look at this yacht, bro. Soon come, man. This is the goal. That's where we're heading. She got too much power.
That shit will
50 euros.
Oh, boy. Oh, the hills, bro.
The hill's mad.
That is looking dark.
But after she said thunderstorm, I was like, don't say that. So, keeping you lot updated, yeah? We have just been walking, asking about the boats and stuff. What's the odds of us bumping into someone from our end? She asked us, where are we from? Because she heard our accent. And we told her, I'm not going to disclose it. We told her, she's like, no way, I'm from there. Said her ends, and I was like, yeah, it's Gareth still. But what's the odds of us bumping into someone from our ends? Cool people, man. They said they might try and see us later, go out for just chill or whatever. And we seen these yachts. It's crazy.
That's what I'm trying to get on.
It's crazy. If these man told me right now, this obviously is not, but it's a 200k yacht and you can buy it with a mortgage. Bunner house, I'm buying it. I'll think about filling it up later once I've got it. But fam, I'll get my license to drive it and I'll buy one. I don't want a house no more. But this is probably like a couple mil, maybe like a 10 mil, maybe even more. I don't know the yacht prices, but
I don't know any yachts.
all I know is he's from London and he's rich, jet setter, you know. You know one thing as well, because they've all got their own names, you could literally search online and probably find out the value right now.
Yeah, they're all unique, isn't it? Customized.
Man said London. I'm from London too. Let me on, please. Man said he's got the speedboat on the side as well.
I'm not going really.
Yeah, it's not really I'm coming here to lay on the beach kind of vibe, but it's beautiful though. Yeah, you're doing some Titanic shit, bro. Climbing rocks and all that. Literally. But yeah, these clouds are definitely not selling a good story to us right now. If we get, I wouldn't mind getting stuck here, but I also got plans tomorrow, so I don't want to. It's getting a bit windy, but everyone's still having fun, man. We're basically in the Old Town right now. Very nice, but you know when it gets windy, all the wind just cutting through the Old Town. It's a bit mad. Guess what flag that is? Big up Montenegro. Beautiful place. Beautiful place, bro. Yeah, if you haven't been before, it's definitely worth it, man. Worth it still. Wind right now, it's crazy. I wish you could see how windy it is. Bro. Who's got more, bro? He's doing the mad thing on us. Just because we're enjoying a little bit.
You know, what do you mean from down there, bro?
No? Don't do that. Man. In Albania, it's sunny right now. These are enjoying the breeze whilst they're getting tarnished over here. Bro, did you hear the thunder? GG, man.
Oh, yeah. It's raps. Yo, it's raps, bro. Get me home. It's raps.
We want to rent a boat. Oh, gosh.
You see, this is what I told you. You see the way everyone's getting busy trying to
Yeah.
look? They know something we don't, bro.
They know. We can't trust Apple Maps, Apple Weather, man.
Did you
Apple Weather.
Apple? That's your first problem.
Apple Weather's gonna tell us clear skies, sunny. Not bad. So we're gonna grab something. We've got to get something. Is the weather always like this? Is the weather always like this? There is no way it told me it's not raining. We look outside and it's raining. Ooh, stuff on my For You page, man. Just quickly watching yesterday's game, grabbing quick grub. Nice. Yeah, man. People, we're about to cut. We're gonna go somewhere else. Probably do a boat tour down in Albania side or something. Mad, but Montenegro looks crazy. Look at this bit. Sunset.
As I said, when I got to that,
it's crazy. Maybe if you just pulled up in a corner and you just want niggas to know you're there, kind of thing. Home time. Bro, that's what I was recording right now.
Got big bits, pressure trying to get rich. Would've thought I'm trying to make the richest. Tell my missus I don't care about no daft bitches. So when the mask comes off, it's my business.
But yeah, man, this is how I'm living my birthday, you know. Early birthday celebrations. Why not? Yeah. Oh, that got on me. Fucking hell. Yeah. This strip looks mad. Nah. Started melting too quickly. Long day. Serious growth. Found a new job. How am I gonna go peep this after this? Lake Como's nice, bro. Take a look at this. It's looking like. Yeah. See how it goes. Oh, it's very nice. I'm for next step.